Hi, to delete contacts from your Vivo V40 phone, you will need to simply swipe up first to open the list of apps and here find this Contacts app. So, now you will need to choose a place in which you store needed contacts which you want to delete, and for that tap on this profile icon. And now I have my Google account here, so in my Google account there is no contacts stored. Let's switch to the first SIM card, and yes, now we have some contacts which we want to delete. Let's select Maddie. Here to delete it, we will need to tap on the three dots and select the option to delete. And now confirm that you are deleting this contact. And now it's gone. Let's repeat it one more time. So, not police, we're gonna select Maddie, tap on the three dots, then tap delete and confirm. And now it's gone. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.